Cooking the Books. Since we won't be able to meet this month, I thought I would show you what I would have made. The cookbook of the month is Love and Lemons Every Day by Jeanine Donofrio. This 2019 cookbook focuses on plants with more than 100 vegetarian recipes. The recipe I chose for this demonstration is called Chimichurri Potato Salad. It features chimichurri sauce, a sauce that originates from Argentina. So, the first step we take is to make our potatoes. I've already pre-made these so that it would be a quick demonstration. What you want to do with potatoes is cover them with water, cold water, have about an inch over the potatoes, and bring it to boiling. Cook for about 10 to 14 minutes until the potatoes are fork soft. Then you just bring them to room temperature when they're all done cooking. The next step that we're going to take is to cook the green beans. Have the green beans all ready to go. We're just going to pour them into boiling water. And then we set the timer for 2 minutes. While that's cooking, I will show you that we have an ice bath right here. And in the ice bath, we're just going to cool the green beans very quickly so that the cooking stops and they are still crisp when we eat them. The next step we're going to make is the chimichurri sauce. I'll just talk about that while the green beans are cooking. To make the chimichurri sauce, we have these ingredients. We have some virgin olive oil. Place that in the bowl. We have some white wine vinegar. Both of those are 1/4 cup. You have some red pepper flakes, some smoked paprika, some sea salt, about 1/2 cup of parsley all chopped up, and oregano. And what we're going to do with that, just whisk it. And we're going to add a little bit of pepper. We've already added the salt. Just a pinch of pepper. And that's good to go. And our green beans are probably just about ready. We have about 17 seconds. They're just boiling. You're going to want them to just be crisp. They give a little bite to the salad. So, we're just going to wait a few minutes, and I've got my potatoes all ready, the ice bath all ready. There we go. Just going to take the green beans, place them right into the ice bath so that they stop cooking immediately. There we go. Final step is to assemble it all. Take a bowl. We're going to place the potatoes in. Onions in. And the next thing is going to be add the chimichurri sauce. Not all of it, you're going to add some of it later. There we go. And a little pepper. Give it a toss. So this is where you are at this point. We're going to add the green beans in a second. Want them to cool off. And later. So you have your green beans, your potatoes, the chimichurri sauce. At this point, we're going to add our radishes. And then arugula. At this point, give a final little zing to it. We add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And top it off with the rest of the chimichurri. Now let me give it a good stir so that you can see what it's going to look like as a final product. And what's nice is when you add the different colored potatoes, you have the purple skin, the red skin, the white skin, and it gives you a lot of color. It's a great fresh salad. This is the final product. So I'm sorry that we won't be able to meet, but as you can see, this is a great dish. I hope that you guys will try it. We'll hopefully be meeting soon to discuss cookbooks and sample recipes. Maybe we'll do this one when we all get back together. I will add a link so that you can look up this recipe and get all the measurements and try it out. And please send a message to us and let us know how you liked it. Thank you very much.